You are not going to believe what we've done here at the Shadow Gallery to improve on one of our prints. A lot of you are Star Wars fans like myself, of course, and one of the cool things we've decided to do is upgrade our Echo Bad Batch helmet. This helmet is super cool. This is one of the best helmets I think we make. It is complete with your visor. It's got the battle damage. It's war torn because, you know, you're Echo from the Bad Batch. But here's the really cool part. Not only have we updated the size and the way it looks and some of the pieces, but we've made it completely magnetic. That's right. These pieces slide right back off. So maybe you want to be like Echo when he's not wearing his helmet and you just have this piece that surrounds his ears and the back of his head. You can do that. Or you can just simply snap them right back together. Boom! And you've got your own Echo Bad Batch helmet. This is a really cool print. It's an amazing helmet. I make it so that it's lightweight. It's not very heavy on your head. You can move around completely in it, see within it. I mean, we tint our own visors here and everything. So make sure you want to go get your own brand new Echo Bad Batch helmet. This is amazing. It's super cool, lightweight. This was an order for, I wanted to try something out and see how it turned out, and I think it turned out fantastic. So head over to Shadow Gallery on Etsy and get yourself one, or get another helmet, a different helmet, or a cool prop. We'd love to see you there. So don't forget to check out the brand new magnetic Echo Bad Batch helmet.